What is going on today, YouTube? Been a long time since I've done this kind of thing. This is all fresh from the garden, slightly alive, some of it's not ready, so I have a red pepper, store-bought. This guy's also store-bought, and this is store-bought. Everything else, except for my onion, isn't store-bought. Everything's store-bought, except for the tomatoes. Tomatoes fresh from the garden. Garlic. So what I'm going to be doing here today, I've got the food processor ready. I'm going to be doing up a salsa. Never made salsa before, so stay tuned. This should be great. So I'm actually pretty excited for this right here. Never done this. So that guy goes there. Go. Are you recording? Yep. Recording. Oh yeah. Lana, come try. Come on. Come on. I'll let you work the bud. Come on. Oh, that's got to be on. Tomatoes fresh from the garden. Can you just like put a whole bunch in there? Probably, yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Why don't I use this thing more? Alright, now that we've done that, I've got onions. And I've got garlic, 3 cloves. Woo! Oh, nice though. Alright then. Alrighty then. This guy, seeds and everything going in. Lime juice. As much out of there as I can. All right. You didn't even. All right. It's full. Huh. Oh yeah. Little liquidy. Gonna put just a touch olive oil. And a very little bit of sugar. Sweet burn chipotle. Something like that. Give that a shot. Let's see what happens. Wow! Woo! It's so good!
Hey, relax.
Try this. No, this one's for you. Like, get that in your food locker. Get that going. Come on. A little spicy?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Whew.
Thank you, my people.
Oh, hot.
Hmm?
Hot. Whew.
Spicy?
Really spicy. Ooh.
You like it?
Here's good. May need more salt.
More salt? Why? Apparently it's better after it sits.
Upset much?
No, give this bowl away.
Okay.
Alright. Thanks for watching.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.